Hi, good day, M6366. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maria Mia Artradora, 34 years old, single, Roman Catholic. I have three kids, 15 years old, 13 years old, and 11 years old girl. Um, I served before at Saudi Arabia. I served two adults, 36 years old and 46 years old, and three children. It's from 3 years old to 9 years old and newborn to 2 years old.
Okay, so I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby since 0 to 2 years old and also a 3 years old child until 9 years old. By the way, your religion,
My religion is Roman Catholic.
highest educational attainment.
High school graduate.
So since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
And you know how to prepare a milk for a
Yes,
newborn.
sir. I know.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Plus, first, I will check the thermometer first, and I feed them if they hungry, and I play and until and change the diaper.
Okay,
Check the diaper.
okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you change the diaper, you feed the baby, you also check the temperature, maybe the baby is sick, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
First, I will call my employer the to say that baby is it's not good.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it's a safe place and um, high salary, so I can produce the expenses of my family here in
Okay,
the Philippines.
okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer has need me and willing to take care, I will take care of them as long as they want me.
Okay, so it is okay to you to be extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I will be willing to YouTube and cookbook and if the employer teach me, I can do it also.
Okay, and also, if your employers have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they
Yes,
provide.
yes, sir. I can.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Uh, yeah, it's okay, sir.
Taking care of elderly?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employee, please hire me. I reliable to go in here because I am honest. I take care of the babies as my family, and I can follow the rules and regulation of my employers.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Maria Mia.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.